Welcome to Smart Text Link, your trusted partner for innovative, reliable, and secure communication solutions. Imagine a world where reaching your customers is as easy as sending a text message. With Smart Text Link, you can connect with your customers instantly, wherever they are. From appointment reminders to special offers, SMS is the tool that keeps your business top of mind. Did you know that 98% of SMS messages are opened? That means your message isn't just sent, it's seen. Whether you run a small boutique, a fitness center, or a medical practice, Smart Text Link makes it easy to engage your customers in a way that's quick, personal, and effective. Our platform is designed with your business in mind. Send messages that matter, without the complexity. With Smart Text Link, you get powerful features without the hassle. Schedule texts, customize templates, and track results, all from a simple, intuitive platform. Our goal is to help you work smarter, not harder. From promotions to confirmations, Smart Text Link helps businesses of every kind stay connected with customers and drive growth. Our mission is to empower businesses worldwide with reliable, efficient, and cost-effective SMS communication solutions, to connect businesses with our customers seamlessly, fostering stronger relationships and driving growth. Our vision is to become the global leader in SMS technology, offering advanced and innovative solutions that revolutionize communication, enhance connectivity, and set new standards in the messaging industry worldwide. Our all-valuable services. Our all services are sending bulk SMS, wholesale messaging, 2FA authentication, P2P SMS, chatbot, messenger, 2FA authentication, and many more. When you need a partner in SMS success, think Smart Text Link. Ready to connect with your customers like never before? Try Smart Text Link today.